Naka-vlog ako. So good morning everyone. So the time right now it's almost 10 a.m. So this is the situation here in Boracay during morning, especially na high tide today. So crowded siya. But I choose not to stay here, visit the secret beach, and I'll show to you later kung ano yung tsura ng secret beach. So hindi na siya secret. So see you later guys. I think this is a station 3. Kaya siguro masabi nila mas more relax and calm yung station 3 dahil hindi siya crowded compared to station 2. Ang daming tao, ang daming nangyayari. So, alright guys, so mas same naman actually yung color ng water, but the different from the station 2, it has a lot or more crowded than this part. I would suggest if you go to the secret beach, you have to use the route in front of the beach than following the Google Map. Mas medyo malayo si Google Map. And ayun na siya guys. I'll show to you. I don't know if but ayun na siya. Yung stone na yun. Yan na yun siya. Papasok tayo dun sa maliit na kuweba. And then that is a secret beach. So hindi na siya secret. So everybody knows. Huh? So see you in a bit kasi malapit na ako. So malapit na lang tayo. So andyan yun yan siya. Papasok na tayo sa pool. And that is the secret beach. So let's go, let's go. So we are now in the secret beach. Is the secret beach guys, so hanggang doon kayo siya, but this is less crowded than the station 2, so it's kind of nice here, and also you'll be able to enjoy and to have a little privacy here. So let's explore this and take a lot of pictures. So let's go guys. So look at this guys. So ito yung lilim na tatambayan ko muna. And there is a hole there. Diyan kinakabahan ako because might be there is a snake there or what. Let's enjoy this place even though that we are alone. But I don't feel like I'm alone. So let's go and liligo tayo or magte-take muna tayo ng pictures. So let's go guys. So we are now here in the secret beach. Few people here that goes for fishing. Let's try to explore it here kung anong makikita natin sa loob before tayo babalik for having breakfast or lunch. So let's go guys. yeah. So let's try Tapisaw sa tubig. So I'll bring you there. Pero hindi na ako mag-dive or mag-swim dahil, by the way guys, yun nga, I just wanted to share as well na nung pumunta kami dito sa Boracay, bumukas yung bag ko and then suddenly nahulog yung isang pants ko or yung mga ilang gamit ko, which is kasama doon yung pants and yung waterproof case ko ng Insta360. So that's why I didn't have a lot of footage in the water because of that. But look at this, sobrang init nga lang. But I really enjoy this kind of place which is very quiet. Yun nga, hindi din ako na-disappoint or sobrang nag-overthink. Dahil alam ko naman guys na bumukas yung bag ko, but wala kasi kami naka-motor from Bacolod to Aklan. I didn't have any choice dahil sobrang dilim din and delikado din ang place. Dahil nga gabi kami nag-travel. So I just let the other things na mahulog than to save them, pero hindi kami magiging safe. So ang dami din kasi dumadaan na truck or sumusunod sa amin na truck, so that's why I choose not to get all of them or to save all of them, but move forward. So that is what I've learned for this vlog and for this trip, na whatever happens, may on-time pause man yan sa plano nyo sa vacation or itinerary nyo, but all you have to do is to proceed to the place that you want to visit. Boracay is actually a good place to have to party and to make friends, but also Boracay has a peace place as well, or spot, which is especially here in Secret Beach. So yeah, that's it, and I'm gonna go back to the station 2 para mag-breakfast and then to meet Jodeline and Nungpaing as well. I don't know kung saan sila, pero I know na hindi din sila magkasama. Andito na ako sa room, nakaligo na ako, and I decided to take some rest. So because after kong nag-lunch, nakita kami ng Paeng, and we decided to go to the Starbucks para mag-tea to cleanse our intestine. And after that, nakasalubong namin si Jodeline. So yeah, they decided to visit the Secret Beach which is na pinuntahan ko na kanina. So since napuntahan ko na siya, I decided to stay here sa room para mag-charge ng phone, ng camera, and to have some rest. Dahil I'm planning to find a place where we can play volleyball. So may nakita na ako na isa, which is sa Bulabog, and yung isa naman is sa Residencia Hotel. So might visit as well later kasi wala naman akong gagawin this afternoon. So see you guys later. Alright, so after 2 hours of sleep or nap pa ba yun? We're back again. So we are now in the station 1. So naglakad-lakad lang ako dahil I'll try to go to Grotto dahil nandun daw sila ni ni Kuya Paeng and Judeling. So if not, then we can go to the residential beach volleyball. So let's go, guys. This is what looks like in Station 1. So, lumampas na ako sa grotto. So, I decided na balikan ko na lang sila since nakita ko na yung beach volleyball na residensya. So, let's try to go there if makakapaglaro tayo. So, hopefully, I can. So, let's go! I'm so excited, guys. Kahit wala tayong receive. So, let's go! Oo, kasi...
Nakakaintindi ako ng Ilonggo pero hindi ako makaspeak ng Ilonggo.
Ay, okay. Struggle ko kitang actually yung Tagalog.
Pagkano yung bili mo sa ganyan?
Before nag 6 or 27 siya that time. Pero sang gimbakal ko siya nasa 22, 20 na lang siya kaya nag-sale siya.
Ano kasi, gaipon siya ko dyan 20-20 everyday. Like, gusto ko lang siya, like, for fun, video, diba? Malay mo, diba, maging, ano na ako, maging...
Content creator.
Hindi. Kanya, maging artista na ako. Ade, dyan, wala, ganito pala ako ng bata.
Pero, nang sobrang ganda mo po. May lahi ka po.
Meron po, German.
German. Pero dito ka po lumaki sa...
Kuya, go, akin na. Paano to babalik ta rin, kuya?
Nang ganun, ibalik ta rin mo lang po.
Okay, ganyan lang.
Tapos yung...
Makita si kuya. Go, lapit tayo dito sa kanya. Dito tayo sa kabila. Ganyan.
Nice one. Over na.
It is it.
Yeah. Nice, Ryan. Ay, sorry. Ay, pasok. Ay, sorry po. Okay lang.
Kana?
Good.
Nag-dive. Ano?
Tama. Okay.
Ay, buwa dun. Yan, serve na ni kuya. Yan.
Serve. Taas mo lang.
Oops.
Pinababayaan ko talaga siya. Tapos kung konti lang. Ay, sorry. Get. Nice. 1-2. Go! Kinuha. Good. Sige. Good. Over.
Balik.
Drop.
Kuya, punta lang muna ako doon.
Good serve. Ay! Oh! Good yun. Straight eh. Whip. Nice. Okay. Sige. Okay lang. Sige. Nice! Good cooking. Good setting. Hina. Yeah. Up. Hina. Akin ang drop. Outside. Play. Serve. Drop. Up. Sige, go. Paano mo yan? Sige. Tuloy na. Ay! Sakit. Visual mo ka. Good serve. Good serve. Tapon! Buti na lang. Good serve. Wala. Go.
Ito yung makita eh.
Kita na eh. Ay! Good serve, good serve. Kita. Kapay. Kuha! Wala na. Okay. Gap. Okay, Gap! Nice! Wala! Okay. Hop. Ako may antena. Okay. Wala. Paling lang! Taas nyo lang! I got you covered. Outside ba? I got you guys. Gap. I saw his hand. Hey! Good. Gap! Una! Sa taas! Huwag mo hintayin! Huwag mo hintayin bumaba. Naman sa taas. Gap! Nice one! Daling sa taas, ha? Ayun na. Shoot. Okay. Nice serve! Free ball! Good na! Nice one! Nice serve! Okay! Nice one, Gab. Nice one, brother. Okay. Walang! Open na! Gab mo na! Uy, good!
So that is our 2 games, guys. So later, after nilang maglalaro ulit ako para lubos-lubos yung yung time natin here. And also, if you want to go to Boracay, you can also visit the Residencia Hotel. So may dito ako naglalaro. So may may donation lang sila for the court, which is 100 pesos. So only games na yun. Even ilang days ka pa dito maglalaro. So 100 lang yung babayaran. So you can go here, guys, and play with them. Okay, thank you. So that's it for our beach volley. So we won 4 straight games, and in the first 2 games, or in the first game, so we won 2 games as well. So a total of 6 games. Yes, so this is gonna be the most top trip that I have compared to the first one. So because I was able to play volleyball now, I'm very happy. So I'm going to the D-Mall, and thanks and salute to Sir Rocky, staff and members ng beach volleyball team dito sa Bacolod, sa Boracay. You can go to Residential and find Sir Rocky and his team and yung mga batang babae na maganda. So you can approach them and ask them on how you can be a member and play with them. They're very great and they're very kind, especially sa mga guests nila or guests here sa Boracay. So you must try, guys, and also visit or follow Sir Rocky TikTok account. We were having a dinner, guys, so see you later. Mabakal kami souvenir, guys, ng wallet.
Kasi gusto nyo magpadala, kaya wala na kami dito. Oh, 5,400.
Yung isang
Ito,
polo.
magkano? 100.
Bulsir sama nito.
Ay, ariyo. Ate, 50 pesos din ito. Para sa phone.
Dahil hindi kami mahilig sa party. Wow. So sa labas na lang kami mag-party.
Marami na kami na
Daanan na club.
Na night club.
club hopping. So, pero sa Gua.
Tingnan na namin kung sino yung pinakamura ba na bayaran ba.
Ilonggo ka,
Pero-
sir? Sir, Ilonggo ka, sir? Hindi, ah.
English yung ko yung salita, pero salita ko na Tagalog. Hindi ko ma-accent talaga yung English kasi tinatry ko talaga Tagalog. Ang ganda ng pailaw-ilaw dito. Ang ganda ng pailaw. Ayun sa loob
Party, go party. Party. Gab mo na ako babae. Naka-vlog ako ngayon. This is Gab, guys. Yung kasama ko kanina sa Beach Valley. Bye, Gab. Thank you, Gab. So before ko makalimutan yung outro ko, I just wanted to thank as well to all of my friends na nakasama ko sa vlog na to, and also to those people na na-meet ko lang sa Boracay. So thank you so much nung paeng Jodeline, Gab na nakasama ko sa Beach Valley, and I know na marami ka pa or malaki pang ma-improve mo in your valuable career, and also to the NCAA legend, Sir Rocky. So thank you so much, sir, and it's a pleasure to play with you and to know about your community and the beach volleyball as well. And also, I would like to thank as well to all of my friends, my family who supported me from day one until up to now on my vlogging career, my vlogs. And I know even though that this is just for fun or for entertainment only, but still you inspire me and you push me to create more videos. So thank you so much, guys. And also special shout out to Carbelia's family, to Aaron, kay Tita, and also to Nell. And also, I just wanted to shout out as well Sir Arnel, Harry, and also Ate Jenny, and also Brenna and to all of my friends out there. And yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching my vlogs. And I hope na this is not the last time that I will visit Boracay. But yeah, you will be expecting on my next vlog na magto-tone down tayo ng gastos dahil napalaki yung gastos natin sa Boracay. But I must say it's worth it. It's super fun, the experience, the views, and and the people there. So I hope na and I pray na makavisit din kayo, and isa din sa mga bucket list nyo yung Boracay. So thank you so much, guys. And before I will end this video, I would like to encourage everyone to like, subscribe, and share this video, and also comment as well, para makita ko yung mga comment nyo or any suggestions nyo about my vlogs and my channel as well. So thank you so much, guys, and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.